Is herein.com really the bargain online store it claims to be? Or is it just another questionable site trying to lure shoppers with promises of deep discounts on shirts, t-shirts, dresses, and more? Many people have found themselves wondering whether this site is trustworthy or just too good to be true. After thoroughly investigating herein.com, several concerning issues came to light that make it difficult to recommend without hesitation. One of the first things I noticed was that many product images didn't actually belong to herein. Running them through a reverse image search revealed they were copied from other legitimate websites, which is a huge warning sign. Adding to the doubts, the site displays certificates like IAF and ICR, but the images of these certificates are extremely blurry and unreadable, suggesting they might be fake or at least not credible. The customer reviews on the website also raise eyebrows, as some of them are suspiciously dated before the store even existed, which clearly points to fabricated feedback rather than real user experiences. Navigating the website itself is not a smooth experience either. Important details like company contact info and terms of service are either missing or incomplete, and several pages either don't load properly or seem rushed in their design. Perhaps most concerning are scam warnings posted by review platforms like eveninsight.com, which have flagged herein as potentially unsafe based on user reports and suspicious activity patterns. While I can't say for certain that herein.com is an outright scam, the combination of copied images, fake certificates, dubious reviews, poor website quality, and third-party scam alerts should make anyone think twice before buying from this store. If you value your money in online security, it's probably best to look for alternatives with a more transparent and trustworthy reputation.